Alright, boys and girls, welcome back to part 2 of my memorial ride for my friend Brenden. We are now leaving Point Reyes and headed to Stinson Beach. I don't know if you guys can hear Google, but that's basically her trying to give me directions right now. But yeah, we're headed to Stinson Beach right now, so my hope is that it's not too windy on Highway 1. If it is, no big deal. I'm looking forward to just getting to some cooler air because it is really warm out here. It is a really nice little town though. I did enjoy my stay here, but can't stay long. I want to have lunch in Stinson Beach. So if you guys saw that last episode, hopefully you guys liked the little tour I gave you. So the ride basically should only take us about 30 minutes. I think I have enough battery juice for that. I basically had my GoPros charging for about 30 minutes. Brought them up to about 80%, so yeah, I think we should be good. I didn't think that this was going to take about 30 minutes, but we'll see what the pace is. I know it's again a busy day, so we'll see if we get trapped behind any cars. But yeah. So far for my ride, my bike has 26,699 of my 100,000 mile goal. Current temperature is 82 degrees and my bike is running at 172. Oh wow, that's a pothole right in the middle, like right at the apex of a turn. That's horrible. So typically when you ride Highway 1, you think Pacific Coast Highway, right? Like you think, oh, you're gonna be riding next to the coast, and yes, that's true for most of the ride. However, there's a lot of parts of Highway 1, if you haven't been here on the west coast, that's just really deep inland and you know, miles from the coast. And you know, it's still nice, you know, but it has to like cut through a lot of different towns too. So you know, it's a connecting road that cuts through a lot of smaller towns. And without it, you know, a lot of these towns wouldn't have, you know, the tourism that it gets. So, but once you get to like, you know, Highway 1 off of San Francisco and headed south from there, it's all coast. And that's basically the PCH run that most people like to talk about. You know, especially if you're not doing like the full, like, you know, north to south or south to north run. But most people, they like to do the California PCH, just because Carmel Valley all the way down to what is it, I don't even know, they just like it. I still need to do it myself actually. Yeah, according to Google, we'll be there in 22 minutes, which is nice. I don't see any traffic up ahead, or at least slowdowns on the Google map, so that's good. Like, I'm not even mad that I'm stuck behind traffic right now. I'm just enjoying this ride and, you know, just being out here, finally completing my little, you know, coverage of different counties around the bay. So, it does help a lot, you know. I think I put one of my earplugs in a little too deep. My left one, I could feel the helmet by pushing it in, and it kind of feels uncomfortable. I'll have to fix that later, but I'll probably deal with it. I'm glad that I checked the fog map this morning when I did, because that was like at 9 a.m. and I saw the fog just had pulled back. I was like, I gotta go. I have to get on my bike and go right now. Got a little slowdown coming up. What's going on, people? Oh, cyclist. That's always a rough one. I'm nice to cyclists. I know they could get a little in the way, but I mean, I'm on a bike, so it's easy for me to scoot past them. Buddy. I think we have like 10 to 14 minutes left on the ride. Temperature has dropped 10 degrees, now 78. Looks like we're gonna get into a technical portion now. Let's see. Out of turns. Come on, Nissan, you can do it. The Nissan 3 cars up ahead. It's like taking his time. Let's go, Nissan. Or is that a Toyota? No, it's a Nissan. Ooh. Alright, 77 degrees. I could feel that ocean breeze. I totally just rhymed right now. Oh man, yeah, it is getting chilly. Oh boy. Alright. I might have spoke too soon. Like, it's 73 degrees now, and it's just that transition. It's a hard transition between warm air and cold air. So I'm still acclimating to it. It feels good though, don't get me wrong. I'd still rather be on my bike than in a car. Yeah, it definitely came at a good time right now. Looks like the fog is really thinned out. I really smell that algae. Ooh. Oh, 69 degrees. Wow, it just got super cold. I can feel it on my chest now. It's just like this cold air is just piercing through my jacket. And it's not even a jacket, right? So, because this is like all mesh. I'm like a few degrees away from having to turn on my heated grips just so my fingers don't like get too cold. Hello. Oh, he has a dog. How cute. All right, well, it's 73 degrees out here. So that's not bad. Very doable. A lot more comfortable than Port Reyes right now. I don't know where I'm going or where else I can go. Let me park in here and then I will get myself situated. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to close out this vlog for now, but hopefully I will find things to show you of this nice area of the Stinson Beach. All right, guys. Thanks so much for joining me on this ride. Hopefully in 2 seconds I will have a couple clips for you. All right, later.
That's going to do it for this ride. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. Till next time, guys. Later.